what I do to maintain the plumb of the wall, I use my finger as a gauge or as a guide. Yes, welcome back guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video we're going to jump on to our day 2 of installing stone onto our precast. Our previous video we go through the process of how to install your precast, and in today's video we're going to walk you through the process of how to put your stone on top of your precast, how to make your cut, how to cut around your octagon box as you see I have here. All that is coming up in this video. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before we jump into the video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. I already started to lay a few stone here, but I'm just going to continue on and show you as we go how to break up your band and how to lay your stone. This stone that I'm doing is a 2-dimension stone. We only have a small and a medium, so it's only small and medium, but I'm going to show you how to lay a 2-dimension stone. So here I have around 3 feet. Once you have around 3 feet, usually you want to break your band. Just going to spread some mortar here, and like I said, we only have 2 stones. So if you have a medium here, most likely you're going to have to put a small one afterwards. So now I'm going to put a small one beside this medium. We want to have a space here around a 3/8 space to 1/2 inch. Move your mortar so that way you can see, because you want to come down right to the level of this stone that's already laid. Very important. Later on I'm going to show you why I said it's very important to bring your stone right down to the level once you start in another course lower. So keep on watching for that. Just spread our mortar, guy, nothing fancy. Just want to make sure you clear the back so that way we don't block up the cavity space. For a bed joint we're allowed to go around 4 feet. So here I have around 18 inches, something like that. Just gonna put a long one so that I can go across my joint here. This one is nice and level. So here from this line we have around 3 feet now. So I'm gonna put another one come to around here, closer to 4 feet, and then we're gonna break that band again. Just pay close attention, guys. By the end of this video you will learn how to lay a 2-dimension stone. I promise you. Put this one here, we're gonna sit our level flush onto this one, right onto this one, so that we can maintain the level. From that one we'll just tap it down if we have to, so that we can carry on the level from that one that's already over here. Just gonna put a piece of one right here. Okay, so we're gonna break this band right now by putting different sizes here. So small, we're just gonna cut this piece. Spread a little bit of mortar here. We're gonna do a few more courses and then we're gonna put some sides. We're gonna break this band by putting medium ones here. I want to try and have the same size joint as we go, which is around between 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Now that we have to break this one, we're gonna go right on top of the small. Now I'm trying to break down to the bottom of this one that's already laid. Very important, guys, to always try to get it right to the bottom of the one that's already laid. That way you can maintain the same level as you go. Okay, so now that we have this, we're just gonna put a little bit of mortar. And we can put our octagon box in place. As you see, we have a piece of ledge right here. You want to turn this part up and put this part down. This way, use as a ledge so that you can put your stone across it once you go up. But I like to bend these nibbles on top. Just gonna put it right here. Trying to put the box right where it was before. Once we have it in line, then we're gonna take a measurement from the hedge, from the hen over there, so that we can transfer and put the box over there to the same measurement that we have over here. So right now I have it right away exactly where the electrician guy put it. Okay, so right there is nice and level. Just gonna put a brick tire too. So we're gonna just put brick tire everywhere. The more you put it, better for you, in my opinion. Go to the face of your stone. You want to plaster it just like a loaf of bread. Down one, down again. Pretty simple and straightforward. We have a few videos that will go a bit more in depth in details. That's something that you're interested in. Feel free to check those ones out as well after you watch this one. Right down to the bottom of this one that's already laid, guys. We're just going to keep our repeat the same process as we go. Make sure that's nice and level. Guys, if you're getting value from this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more fun videos like this one. We have a long way to go. Stone, guys, you just gotta know that you don't want to go no higher than the medium and the small together. And another important fact is that you don't want to go no, for the bed joint here, you don't want to go no longer than 4 feet. The moment you reach 4 feet, you have to put a stone to break it, or you go down to break it by putting a small here, or you go higher so that this line can't go any longer. Those are the main factors that you need to take into Just for instance, here I have a medium, and I already know that I can't go no higher than a medium and a small in one. So I know that I have to put a medium one here. Or I could put 3 small, being as, you know, the type of stone that we're using. So now that I have a medium here, it's probably better to put a small. You could put a medium, but it's probably better to put a small one right on top of this medium, because you already have here a medium. That's basically how we're just gonna keep on repeat the same thing, and you know, until we reach right up. Just keep on repeating, make sure that it's nice and level. Make sure the bottom match with this stone match with the existing one that's already there, and so on and so forth. Yes, I cut. So as you see here, I have to put a small one there so that I can reach right up, so I can close my stone here. So I'm going to use here, see, as you see, I just put this small one right here on top of this medium. Over here we have a medium on top of the small. We're not allowed to go no higher than this. So once we reach up to this height, we have to put a stone across this line here to break this. So you could put whatever you want to put here. I would put a medium because I already have a small one right here close to this medium, and then it will bring us right up to the height of where we need to be by putting another small over here. So here now we could easily put a medium come to around here, or put a short medium, then put another one over here. You know what I mean? You see as we go. Keep on watching. So I'm just gonna put this one here, just so that we can get a nice look, you know, some pattern in our wall. Then we're gonna put this one over here. Another thing you want to bear in mind, you always want to step away around 4 inches at least from the edge of the stone where you're going to do your next joining. Just like you see right now, I'm around 4.5, somewhere there. Just so that you have a better banding with your stone. So I'm going to cut for here. So the way you want to mark the cut, you want to put this stone here that we're going to cut right to the edge of this stone that's already laid, and just mark it so that you can leave your space there, maybe like a 3/8 or ½ an inch space. Very important to level as you go. You don't want to lay a stone without the level on your wall. So far this is where we're at. So the reason why I'm making the ram over there, right here I have a nail. We're gonna finish our stone right underneath here. So I'm making the ram here. I'm gonna work my way around here now, and afterwards we're gonna transfer the level around there. Okay guys, so this is where we're at now. This is right up to the final level of where we're going. Reach right up to our mark. Finish around this side. Like I said earlier, I was tweeting that side over there because I wanna transfer this level that I have here, go all the way around there. So finish this section here now. All we gotta do now is work our way going that way. So we're just gonna continue on over here. Just like you see, I have So relax, get a beer, watch your boy Ryan in action. See, I have some brick ties all over, brick ties here, brick ties there. As you go, you want to put as much brick ties as possible. What I do to maintain the plumb of the wall, I use my finger as a gauge or as a guide. I place it at the back. As I go, I feel, just to make sure that the distance from the wall maintain the same as from where we started. So that's basically how I do to maintain the straightness of the wall as I go up. So right above there, we're gonna have molding, stucco molding. Two different stucco molding go up, and the remaining gonna be stucco right along the top section there. So this is where the stone finish for this one. Finish in this section. So all I have here to do is over there to do stone along above the door top. It's all gonna be stucco the remainder of it. Afterwards we're gonna go to do the same thing over there with stone, only low down, and then we have stucco on top. Okay guys, well there you have it. Finished to lay the stone on this section here. Now I'm just gonna go down low and finish the lower section there. And afterwards we're gonna jump onto our next house over there that we have to do. But I'm gonna wrap this one up here now. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more fun video like this one. Thank you for watching as always. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.